How to set the Samsung Internet scroll bar to the right, left, or hide it on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, or in the apps screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, we tap on the menu button at the bottom, and then tap on settings. In the Internet settings page, we go down and then tap on web page view and scrolling. Next, go down and then tap on scroll bar. From the pop-up, you have the choice to choose between right, left, or hide. Now, for example, if I choose left, you can see if I go back to my web page, the scroll bar will be on the left side of the page. Or we can simply hide it, or we can set it back to the right hand side. So here I will select right, and that is the default position. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.